I'm going to share with you how to make this delicious and colorful roasted garden vegetables with a butter sauce. So this is a great way that you can enjoy a lot of different things from your harvest all at once. So I have these small potatoes. Some are small and some are larger that I cut up in the same size. I have some cauliflower here, carrots, some squash, all just laid on a cookie sheet. I'm just going to take some pepper, and I have some real salt here. And I'm going to drizzle it with a little olive oil. I have the oven preheating there to 375. And this will be a delicious supper. Just going to go ahead and pop this in the oven on 375 and roast these delicious garden fresh veggies. And here they are, 20 minutes in the oven, and they're out piping hot. Now I'm just going to make a little butter sauce to go over them, and we'll enjoy them for supper. So for this simple butter sauce, I'm first going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Just to flavor it nicely, I'm going to add a pinch of cumin seeds. I have a half of a small minced onion. I'm going to saute those onions. Add in a little Celtic salt, some cracked black pepper, of course I'm going to add in butter, 2 tablespoons, but if you are vegan you can go ahead and use the organic Earth Balance buttery spread. Now what I'm doing here is I'm beating in about 1 tablespoon of arrowroot flour into 1/4 of a cup of water. And then I'm going to add in this mixture of water, and a thickener, which is arrowroot flour in this case. We're going to taste it for flavor, see if it needs any more salt. Yep, that's good. I'll just let that simmer for a few seconds until it thickens up. A nice butter sauce for our roasted veggies. So there you have it. They're so colorful and delicious, these roasted garden vegetables with a creamy butter sauce.